Just a little bit of party. I heard you was down, so I got a gift from B-Dub.
Come on now, I can't do that.
Come on, sweet, come on. Make sure you enjoy this. This is a rich man's high. All the players are doing it. I know you're gonna enjoy this. It takes the pain away.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, what the hell you doing?
Shit. Man, everything is KKK. Man, I just want to see what's so good.
What's wrong with you, man?
Man, this shit already destroyed the whole hood. I might as well let it destroy me, too.
Man, you don't need that shit, sweet.
What do you know about this? This is what it boils down to now.
Come on, sweet, soak the smoke.
Hey, man, that shit steal your heart. You can't see that? This bitch talk nice to you and this what you do?
Fuck.
You're gonna have to deal with B-Dub.
What? Beat up? We can handle that shit right
Get
now,
your
then.
hands off
Get your
me.
ass out of here. Bitch.
I'll let that go.
What were you thinking back there, bruh?
I'm tired, man. I'm real tired. Tired of putting in the work and still shit don't get better. Tired of seeing my family fall apart.
Sweet, man, you got more heart than that. Sure, things are screwed up now, but we finna turn a corner, man. The day is coming when the Johnson family will be at the top, and it's coming real soon.
I hear you, CJ. You're there for us. I know that.
Hey, beat up! Open up!
Beat up!
Hey, open the door, punk!
Fool!
Yo, Dup ain't here. Moved out a while back.
Where'd he go, dickhead?
Yo, you messing up the cat's colors,
Speak
dude.
up, fool.
Yo, I got some, a little something, just what you
And I don't
need.
want none of that shit.
No,
I'll split your wig right
Hey,
now.
no, you tripping, man. Come on, put the gun down. He a basehead, man.
Shit, he wearing family colors. That's supposed to make him somebody.
Look, fool, tell us where Beat Up is, and we out of here.
He live over on Glen Parkaway. His boy always there. Give a cat what he needs.
You lucky. Oh, man, Glen Park.
Heart of Kilo Trey's country.
Fuck it, I'm down. And that fool had it coming too long. We'll take the whole neighborhood apart.
Yeah, let's roll.
Give me drugs. Forget about the car.
Hit those ballers hard.
Johnson boys rolling through. Huh? Come on, man, keep up. Fuck you, bitch. You went in. Hey, over here, come on, keep up. Overtime, fool. Come on, man, keep up. Show me more around what the families is.
Hey, you better watch yourself, fool.
That's going in my retirement fund. Come on, man, keep up. over here. Come on, keep up. Don't blast me in the food. Hey, come on, man. I thought we was banged. You wanna get... Get uglier.
DJ. Okay, the neighborhood's sold up now.
No sign of beat up, though, dog.
Check the place over there.
Put it on that guy. Come on, man, keep up. Hey, over here, come on, keep up.
Say something!
Hey, nah, I ain't had no choice. I was threatened. Shit came from the boss, homie.
Pop this motherfucker, man. I'm tired of hearing this bullshit.
Nah, man, I'm sorry, dog.
Huh?
Smoke's fucking crazy. He paranoid. Just sit in the house thinking other fools want his business.
Where's Smoke?
I can't tell you
Then
that.
I'll snatch your fucking tongue out.
I ain't saying nothing, homie, because I don't know. Only his lieutenants know where he at.
I'd have wet your shirt anyway.
Bear! Hey, Bear, get the fuck out here.
What's up, your lordship?
Kill these motherfuckers, and I'll give you a whole quarter sack. Now handle that. Shoot him. The fuck is wrong with you? You ain't hear what the fuck I said?
I'm tired
Bear,
of
what the
smoking.
fuck you doing?
I'm tired
Come
of
on,
praying,
man.
And I'm tired of doing your fucking housework.
Oh, shit.
I'm free!
Man, what the fuck you do that for, man?
CJ, man, come on, put me back on the team. Give me 20 bucks and I'm all yours, man. Blast from the past.
Hey, let's take a ride, homie. I'm gonna shoot you somewhere you gonna enjoy.
I got Bear's back, man.
All right, I'll see you in a minute, Bear.
Where we going, sweet?
Someplace we can get old Bear back.
All right, I'm down for that.
Be in touch. Don't make a big deal out of it. What's up?
You two-bit backstabbing piece of eggplant shit.
Salvatore, nice to hear from you too.
You're dead. Your friends are dead. Your family's dead. I'm gonna fuck you up and your children and your grandchildren.
Well, it's been nice talking to you, but I got some money that needs spending on some expensive trash, so if you excuse me.
You're dead. Dead.
That's a tight tattoo right there.
Come on, man, shut up and get out of here.
I was just trying to be nice, you bitch. Hey, playboy, move. Green means go.
Get that pile of crap out the way. I know it's you stinking perro.
Look, just say what you gotta say. I ain't interested in the stupid games.
Stupid games? This is my heart you play with.
What? Look, you damn! Gotta change my number.
I'm not in the mood for this.